Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Yorùbá News Daily.
Together with our partners, together with all our partners, we are raising, I want you to pay close attention, we are raising 50 million naira. 50 million naira will be raised for any information that leads to the conviction of whoever eliminated or killed Mohbad.
Ọlọ́ọ̀lẹ́ ti gbọ́ ọ́, àwọn àjọ kan àwọn foundation kan ni wọ́n ti fi ròyìn ọ̀hún léde pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ní ẹ̀rí kan àbórí information kan àbọ̀ bá mọ ẹnìkan tó jẹ́ pé ọlọ́wọ́ nù kú Mohbad bóyá ń tàn lọ́ sí pa pé àwọn ò fi mílíọ̀nù àádọ́ta mílíọ̀nù àwọn ò filẹ̀ 50 million naira for whoever knows anyone that has any hand in the death of Mohbad. Àwọn àjọ ẹni wọ́n ń ké tantan bá nígbàgbé lánàá òde òní ní autopsy result lọ jáde tí àwọn èèyàn ti ń dúdè pé ó yá tiẹ̀ mọ tó pa ẹni tó lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ àmọ́ kò sí rírí tá a rí pathologist àwọn tí máa ń ṣèwádìí láàbù wọ́n ní autopsy ń kò sọ ń tó pa Mohbad ó jàre léyìí tí ó domi tútù sí ọkàn àwọn èèyàn pé ṣé gbogbo ohun tá a wá ń dúró dè láti jẹ́ iná owó náà lè wú òkú rẹ̀ gbé wá láàbù ṣe kìíní kan ṣé gbogbo ohun tí arímú náà rí pé kò sí àrí ó jẹ́ ìbànújẹ́ fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ọmọkùnrin ó jẹ́ akọrin tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ràn gan lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ti kú báyìí oríṣiríṣi ìròyìn ní ti ń jáde lọ́rọ̀ ìyàwó rẹ̀ ni o bàbá rẹ̀ ni o àmọ́ Ọlọ́run ó jẹ́ kí wọ́n rí àwọn tí wọ́n pa.
Raising 50 million naira. 50 million naira will be raised for any information that leads to the conviction of whoever eliminated or killed Mohbad. You can take this globally. We know somebody somewhere knows something. As you can see today in the courthouse today, we have been told the cause of death is unascertained, meaning cause of death is unknown, meaning this could be the mystery of all mysteries in Nigeria. In order to put an end to this mystery, African Television and African Television Foundation for Justice is raising this 50 million naira for anybody, police officer, housewife, market woman, gate man, friend. If you know something or anything that may have caused the death of Mohbad, contact us. We guarantee you we'll raise 50 million naira for you and you'll be taken abroad for safety. Trust me on this. We've been working for the past 8 months. It has now come to the time where the world knows that Nigeria cannot continue to operate our justice system the way it is going. We need a better justice system. We cannot allow this to go unsolved. You, members of the media, you have a duty to fish out, to dig out and investigate what happened to Mohbad. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, I want to thank you. There will be a leaflet for all of you. More information is there that will show you what we're doing at the African Television Foundation for Justice, along with our partners. If you have any questions, I'll take about 5 questions. Thank you.